All right, guys, welcome back to another episode by Mining Store. Today is actually a follow episode from yesterday's video where I went through my trading strategy that I've been following since I've started trading Bitcoin back in about 2016, 2017. And basically yesterday I was calling that I thought that there's going to be quite a large drop coming for Bitcoin. So I was saying that prices look very tempting. We're in this kind of upward trend, but nevertheless, with the state of the economy, with coronavirus slowing things down, there's going to be a very good chance that we can see a downturn. So in this message here on the Discord, as you can see, I basically said those exact words, that I think Bitcoin is coming for about 5 to 6K. And I'm going to be picking up some exposure on key levels. So let's go back to the charts and just have a look at what I was actually highlighting yesterday and where I think things are going for the next day to next week or even month. So basically, one of the key price levels that I highlighted yesterday, we were trading between this range here. It's a very tight range, but it's between 6,900 and 7,200. And we kind of have broken out of that range. And so I wasn't feeling very confident on the price of Bitcoin. And one thing that I did highlight as well was this long-term shift level, which is a pitchfork level. So I'm just going to zoom this in a bit. As you can see, we actually exited this long-term downward trend. And I was basically saying if we enter back in here, then I think it's going to be a very good chance that we can come and see these kind of 3,900, even or 5,000 to 6,000 levels is where I'll probably be starting to pick up some exposure. So for the next couple of days, this is what I'm going to be watching. If Bitcoin does kind of breach back into this downward trend here in blue, then that's where I'm going to be starting to pick up my first entry levels. So this one here at the 5,600, I'd be very keen to pick up a decent amount there. But anywhere kind of in these levels, I'm going to be starting to think about it. If we got as low as 3,500, I would probably get a bit greedy, to be honest, or even 3,900. I don't think that we'll push too much lower. We are still coming into the Bitcoin halvening, which is this horizontal line here. And I do think long term, the fundamentals of Bitcoin as a storage of value asset, it does have, potential to reach, up towards the 10,000, even higher in the long term. So I'm really just looking for my entries. I don't think this is going to be another capitulation landslide unless the stock markets do the same thing. If the stock markets do have another 30% downward leg, then I think it's possible that we could get, some of these lows down at 3,100. As I say, I'll probably be getting a bit greedy here, but for the moment, just going to look to pick up exposure around this area. It's looking very, very bearish. The guys in the Discord are thinking the same. So Jules has said this morning that things looking pretty horrible. He's all out of Ethereum and BTC for the moment, and he's just waiting for it to drop. There'll probably be more conversation in here today, which I'll report on maybe in an episode tomorrow. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled if anyone's looking to get exposure to this asset. There's looking like there's going to be some opportunities coming up. Keep this video short and sharp today. I'll post this one up. If anyone wants to gain access to the Mining Store Discord, I'm actually going to leave a link below for a 7-day free trial. You can come in, meet everyone, start seeing, you can read up on all these channels, have a look at the history of all the charts that I've posted, where I've been tracking what Bitcoin's been doing. And yeah, other than that, that's it for today, guys, and look forward to coming back tomorrow. All the best.